3 powerful subconscious mind exercises that can really change your life. There are many books, there are many researches, discoveries, and many studies that have been done to understand our subconscious mind. But our mind is so complex that we are not able to fully understand our subconscious mind until today. Despite all these uncertainties, one thing which is certain and which is clear is that our subconscious mind is most powerful thing that we have in our life. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind, it transforms into a reality. If you know how to use the power of your subconscious mind, then you can achieve anything. Yes, you can achieve anything you want in your life. You can be wealthy, you can be healthy, you can be happy, you can be prosperous, you can be peaceful, powerful, anything. All you need to know is to do some exercises to activate your subconscious mind. Although there are many exercises, but I'll tell you about the 3 most powerful exercises that can really change your life. And if you do them regularly, then you can see the miracles in your life. So are you ready? Then stay tuned with this video, as I am going to show you how you can transform your life. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss the notifications of such an amazing videos. So let's get started. Number 1, free writing exercises. Free writing is when you write down all your thoughts on a piece of paper and keep a record of them. Various writers and authors do this exercise to unblock their mind for writing. Just feel free to write and you can activate your subconscious mind. Now you might be wondering, how does it work? Then let me tell you guys, when you write down something with a free mind, then it is like a brainstorming. Yes, you will realize that where are the problems lying? Where are the blockages in your mind? And how many challenges are there? So this exercise allows you to clear your mind from all the clutters and messiness. And when this happens, your subconscious mind becomes more active. But how to do this exercise of free writing correctly? So first of all, just clear your mind and focus on a wish that you need to fulfill in your life. Forget everything. Forget even about the rules of the grammar of that particular language in which you are writing. This is very important, because if you keep on worrying about the grammar mistakes, then you cannot write freely. And now set a timer. Set a time limit for which you will write. For beginners, 5-10 minutes, and for experienced writers, 20 minutes is the best choice, I think. So you can slowly increase your time slot also. And then after setting up your time limit, just sit in a comfortable position and start writing. And while keeping in the mind the wish or the topic you have chosen, don't stop. Just keep writing. Even if you have written a wrong word or you have done some spelling mistakes, don't cut or don't edit it. Just let it be and keep writing. Whatever comes to your mind, just vent it out on the paper. And when the time is finished, then stop. Do not write anything. And then go back to the starting and read slowly what you have written. Underline those areas which you think are useful and can be used to achieve what you desire. If you feel that there is nothing, then try the second session of free writing with a focused mind. You will see how things will rise up on the surface and how your mind will become more clear. Why? This is because your subconscious mind is now fully active. Number 2, relaxation exercises. In this exercise, you first need to find a quiet place without any kind of disturbance. And now just lie down on your back with your face upwards. Relax your feet and extend your arms from your body. keep your palms facing down and be as comfortable as possible. Don't keep your cell phone or music player, anything like whichever can disturb you around you. Now fix your eyes on a point upwards. If you are lying in a park, then look at a point in the sky, and if you are in a room, then look at the point in the ceiling. Now deeply inhale and exhale 4 times. While you are doing this, you need to feel that peace and relaxation that will run throughout your body. You will feel as if there are no worries, no tensions in your life, as if everything around you is light and comfortable. With the last breath you take in, close your eyes. Now breathe deeply 8 times. Your mind should deeply relax at this time, and each muscle of your body should be tension free. Feel light. Feel how your every breath is feeling life in you. Congratulations. Now you have activated your subconscious mind. And now you can plant any positive seed in your mind. Try this experiment for about 15 to 20 minutes every day, and you will surely see the results. Number 3, do uncomfortable things. Well, who doesn't want to be in their comfort zone? But if you really want to give some hard training to your subconscious mind, then you need to get out of your comfort zone. Do all those things that make you uncomfortable. If you usually brush with your right hand, then try doing it with your left hand. If you usually eat with your left hand, then try eating with your right hand. If you write with your right hand, then try writing from the left hand. If you are afraid to speak to someone, then speak to that particular person. If you haven't traveled any thrilling destination, then travel there and do all such things. But how does it work? It's quite simple. When you do things that are quite new to you, then your brain creates new neural pathways. This means that when you do things that you have never done before, your neurons connect in a new way. Isn't it amazing? So what are you actually doing? You are actually programming and activating your subconscious mind. It is doing something out of the box. So learn new languages, try out new places, read different books, do anything that can take you out of your comfort zone. So when are you trying these powerful exercises? Just give them a try and share your experiences in the comment section below. Thank you very much for your time.